Hey, they're gonna be on us for a while. We never had this problem. But
red dot, headshot, moving down no fast one. All my drip is dead stock. X and off get crisscross. Watching all my idols turn into my rivals.
Yo, we're literally right next to some feds, bro, on dirt bikes. No panic. No panic! I said no panic! You heard? Bro, what the? Bro, Dallas is so chill! Bro, they didn't even flinch, bro. They're like, oh, whatever, dirt bikes and hitting wheelies.
no panic, no panic.
Hey! Okay! Another fed, bro. We're chilling, man.
Hey, they're pretty cool. They don't really care.
Bro, they're chill as out here, bro.
Sometimes they're tripping.
Yeah. Oh, behind us. Chilling, bro. We just lost them like that. Yeah! Bro, we're out here in Dallas. They're so chill. They don't even turn their lights on. They just follow to give like pressure, I think.
Hey, they're gonna be on us for a while. We never had this problem. But
We got the chopper on us. We're just chilling now. I think we're good. I think we're good. Bro, it's like gone. Okay. Going in. Bro, what a sesh, bro. It's a beautiful sunset. The helicopter's off us. We're chilling. Homies are flipping shredders, bro. We met up with a couple other homies and actually 2 other riders, gang, and we're getting flossy with it, bro. Holding the pack down in the back. My boy Adrian's holding it down in the front. Cop right there. No panic, boy. Straight cutting up right now. Okay. Yes, sir. Homie Tristan going hard right now. He said, I gotta level up. I gotta level up for my boy Moto, bro. They're putting down right now. They're putting down some hot laps, bro. Bro, I feel like, bro, this trip I've been leveling up so much, just riding with I've been riding a lot, to be honest. I've been riding every day, that's probably why. I usually never ride every day anymore. Huh? Hey, we're all in the stand-up, bro. We're in knee knockers, now we're in stand-ups. Woo! We ain't letting her down. That was crazy.
Hey.
Hell yeah.
Go crazy, go stupid.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Swerve in the stand-up. The birdies. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Me and the 3 amigos, we're shredding. Stay motivated. I freaking love you. Till next time. Peace. What's up? Right here, Moto Bro. Moto Bro. You watch it? Hey, good. Wait, what?